Quick lunch today. Got a grilled cheese sandwich. Simple. 2 slices of bread. 2 slices of cheddar cheese. I've got some tomatoes that are sliced up in there. Put a little bit of salt on them, just a teensy bit. Got some butter in the pan. I put butter on top of the top piece of bread. Did a quick flip on my grilled cheese. In order to get the cheese to melt, I'm just going to put that little plate on top. It's a paper plate. It should be okay because the fire's not on very hot. And that'll keep the heat inside and give the cheese a chance to get all melty. Is that a word? Melty? If it's not, I just made it up. Let's go check on that grilled cheese. Ah, yeah. Got some of it rolling over there. Gonna turn it over. Cover it again. And see if we can get that other slice of cheese to melt. Let's check on it again. I think we've got it. Gonna turn the fire off. Take this off. Then gonna slice it. Let's see what we got here. There you have it. Grilled cheese and tomato.